We build a lot of machinery in the panel laminating industry, and these panels are big, 5 feet by 12 feet long. They can be upwards of 150 to 200 pounds. An issue our customer was having to where when they're stacking their laminated sheets, they don't want them to scrape across the completed sheet below it so it doesn't scratch the surface.
Choice Machinery Group started when Dave Barnett and I joined forces about 12 years ago. Dave had a small machine building business, and over time we grew that as we made acquisitions of Evans Machinery, Ritter Machinery, Midwest Automation, over a couple different acquisitions.
The benefit to our customer base is that they've got the full spectrum of laminating and post-forming equipment that Evans and Midwest both offered.
And so we're always expanding our product line and getting more and more diverse technologies brought in-house under our roof. And so we continue to add additional automation, and in the future we're looking into bringing in more and more robotics into our product lines as well.
The material handling solutions help increase quality on the panels, so you're not dealing with defects, getting scratches in the laminated surfaces.
There were 3 things about Choice that I love. One is the location. It's in Holland, Michigan. Holland is fantastic. There's a ton of industry here. Any industrial technology resource we need is here. The vendors that we have, our vendors are cutting edge. They're fantastic. They're always looking to grow as well, and they are a huge resource to us. And then the third is the people.
We had a customer, they were doing some panel layup, but very manual. And they came to us and they purchased some machinery from us to increase their productivity. Then they realized that they still wanted a little more throughput. Their pain was in, they didn't like the one process they had. We proposed to them putting both of those processes into one. It increased their throughput with less people. The machinery cost was a one-time expense that they can write off over time, and I mean it's been a money saver for them from day one.
To ensure quality of our products, everything that ships out of Choice Machinery has numerous checkpoints along the way. All of our welders have a second set of eyes as well as a supervisor come to sign off before that is cleared to move into paint. And then at the end, every piece of equipment that goes out of here is signed off by both the engineer, who is responsible for it, that runs through a certain test procedure, as well as sales to come verify fit and finish, and any additional accessories are all accounted for before going to packaging.
I mean, really, for us, it boils down to customer success. We want to make sure that at the end of the day, the customer has the parts that they need, the technical assistance available in a timely manner so that the customer's machine can get fixed. It's frustrating when something's not working. A lot of times that support isn't always there. We want to make sure that that's a fundamental part of our business, and I think the customer really appreciates that.